For millennia, Western thought has been imprisoned by an invisible grammar, dialectics, a mechanism that teaches us to conceive reality as a tension between opposites, thesis, antithesis, synthesis, and to believe that unity is born from their reconciliation. But this idea is an ancient deception, because reality is not two becoming one, it is the one which in appearing only seems to divide itself in two. Dialectics in truth does not explain the world, it fragments it, it transforms the one into the multiple, being into process, stillness into motion. It assumes that truth unfolds in time as if the very foundation of being could evolve, but that which is does not become. And that which becomes is never fully real. Anti-dialectics is born as an act of remembrance, a recollection of the origin, a memory of the unity that precedes all opposition. It does not deny differences, but draws them back to the principle that contains them. Every multiplicity is derivative, every contrast is apparent, every synthesis is but a shadow of the whole that is already complete. Dialectics speaks of overcoming, of Aufhebung, of reconciliation. But every reconciliation is illusory, for it pretends to rebuild the one starting from its fragments. The whole is not the sum of its parts, it is what gives them existence, measure, and meaning. The multiple can never generate the principle from which it descends. Anti-dialectics is not the cult of chaos, it is the restoration of the principle. It is the refusal of the progressive logic of becoming, which replaces being with its temporal shadow. In time, the one appears as multiple. Outside of time, the multiple dissolves back into its principle. To be anti-dialectical means to understand that every opposition is relative, every contradiction is perspectival, every difference is only the vibration of the one observing itself. Truth is not constructed, it is remembered, and to remember is to return, not to the past, but to the source. On the esoteric plane, anti-dialectics is the science of return. It is the discipline that unmasks the trick of language, revealing how human thought, believing it comprehends, has only multiplied the mirrors of the same fractured unity. The anti-dialectician does not seek to reconcile. He seeks to transcend. He seeks to pass beyond the surface of becoming, to recognize that being has no opposite. In the political and cognitive realm, this vision dismantles the mythology of progress. Every dialectical ideology promises a future synthesis, freedom, equality, peace. But all these promises rest upon the lie of linear time, which postpones the one, projects it elsewhere, when in truth it is already here, beneath the veil of the multiple. To be anti-dialectical is an act of ontological lucidity. It means renouncing the seduction of conflict and its illusory resolution. It means recognizing that unity cannot be achieved, only contemplated. It cannot be reached and only unveiled. Reality is one, undivided, and everything we call difference is but a wave of the same sea. The mind that tries to explain it divides it. The silence that contemplates it understands it. Thus, anti-dialectics is not the negation of thought, but the transcendence of thought itself. It is the science of the one withdrawing into itself, the knowledge that frees from the need to reconcile, because it knows that nothing has ever truly been separate.